Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to get a custom ringtone on your phone. First you need this app. The name is Garage Ringtones and the icon looks like this. So we head over to our App Store or your Play Store and search for Garage Ringtones. This is what the icon looks like. Go ahead and hit download. Once you open the app, you click through the welcome screens. Now they will try to sell you a subscription, but you don't need this. So just tap where it says limited version to continue for free. Once you're in, you will see the library of ringtones ready to use. Some of these are actually pretty cool. But if you're here for a specific song, maybe one you heard on TikTok or YouTube, here's how you do it. Go to TikTok and search for the song or the sound you want. Find a video that uses the sound and tap the share arrow and copy the link. Next, go to your browser and search for TikTok downloader. Paste the link you just copied. You might see some ads, just close those and hit download. Make sure you save this video to your photo gallery. Now switch back to Garage Ringtones and tap the plus icon. Select Video Library or Photo Library and pick the video we just downloaded. Here you can trim the audio to get just the part you want. You can also name your ringtone here. Use the fade in and fade out slider to make it sound smooth. When you're happy, tap Set Ringtone. You might need to confirm it one more time. Finally, go to your iPhone settings, tap on Ringtone, and then select the custom one, so the new custom ringtone. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out, please drop a like or subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.